Hi everyone, Trish here. Thank you so much for coming in and visiting with me for a while. Today we are going to do a haul. This is a collective haul. I actually have a Sephora order on its way. For some reason they shipped it postal. Is that the new norm? I don't know. I'm a little confused. It used to be UPS, but there's something going on with the whole delivery system anymore. That's another story. I just filmed a video talking about this amazing product that has helped boost my brow game. So I'm going to link that down below just in case you need some brow help too. But for now, let's go ahead and get into this haul video. I did make a run into CVS. I had not been in CVS for a long time. I just really got too overwhelmed with all the coupons and they had nothing else that I wanted. So I went into a CVS. As soon as I walked in the door, I saw this. This is a weekly Do Something Great Today weekly planner. And I just like the way, I apologize. Today is the only day I have to do videos, like other than a get ready with me. And my nails are horrible. I know that and I'm sorry. Jack had to go out of town today. And it was like I could either paint my nails, not do a video, but then I remembered I can't paint my nails anyway. I have to feed the fawns their next feeding. And if I have nail polish remover or fresh nail polish on my nails, guess what? It's not going to happen. They are not going to take their bottle. So the fawn's health trumps my nails. I normally don't get into that. I'm sorry that my hair looks like crap today. I'm sorry that, you know, whatever. But when it comes to nails, that's nasty. I just try not to show them. How cute. Oh my goodness. I am going to go back and get more. How much did I pay for this? Look, I got another $5, another $5, and then I got $4, $2, $2, $2, $5, 30% off NYX Cosmetics, $5 off Lumify, $10. That is not bad. That would be a nice gift. I am going to go back and get my daughter one because my granddaughter is so active and this is perfect. You have your calendar in the middle and then you have a notepad and then you have little post-its different size. Can y'all see? That is too cute. They had one other pattern. That is adorable. This will be on my desk as soon as I get my desk clean. I had just heard my sweet friend Kathy from Kathy Beauty Care Chats talking about this being one of her favorites from the drugstore. Kathy does not lie. So I thought, you know what? Even though I'm pretty set on my favorite eye primer, I'm going to try this. This is COVERGIRL's Lid Lock Up Eyeshadow Primer. She said that this is amazing as far as its, you know, tacky power to keep your, what is that called? To keep your eyeshadow on. So I wanted to give that a go. And I keep hearing, and I've heard my friend Mary, Glitzy Fritzy, talk about this. Who did she say talks about this? Mel Thompson, I think, compares this to a higher end mascara. This is CoverGirl Exhibitionist. And I tried this. I don't know that I had the waterproof. Sometimes, which I don't wear waterproof as much as I used to, but some formulas, waterproof still does better for me. So I did get this to give it a go. And as you can see, I did pick it up in the waterproof. Look at the color of her eyes. Is that not gorgeous? Wow, those are beautiful eyes. I did want to restock with some of my favorite lip liners. These are going directly into my purse. I have a pinkish nude, a nudie nude, and a deeper nude. The darker nude is Keep It Spicy. The nudie nude is Nude. This is Forever Bare. I wanted to try the LA Girl lip paint glazed again. I used to hear so much good about it. You know I'm going to try it, right? Minty. Not like a lip plumper, but just minty, like to freshen your breath. Y'all know that one of my biggest weaknesses is an eyeshadow palette, and LA Girl had these, and I was like, I don't know. But then I thought, you know what, I'm going to go ahead and go for it. I had some coupons to use. Really, here's some matte swatches swatched on my hand. Really pretty. Okay, now let me try a shimmer. Shut up. What? Oh my goodness, y'all. We have got to use these soon. This one is Vacay Everyday. Oh my goodness. And this one is Aloha Vibes. Look at that. Is that not gorgeous? I am so excited about this. Let's try this green. Look at that green. Here's some of the shimmers. I am excited. I think these were $14.99 each. Vacay Everyday and Aloha Vibes. I've had a couple Target trips. One, I just bought some more of these wipes. These are 99 cents. They are nice. Let me show you one. I don't know if I've ever shown you one. They're like this size when you take them out. They are the perfect amount of dampness. They're not too much, too little. You can see it's not a real thin. It feels clothy. It doesn't feel thin. I mean, it's just, I don't think these can be beat, especially for 99 cents. So yes, I got some more. And that is when I picked up this TattooStudio brow gel, which is, by the way, all I have in my brows today. And I also picked up a blonde in the TattooStudio pomade that Miss Carol told us all about. Loving that. And then I wanted to try a couple different brush cleaners, just like for spot cleaning every day. I want to try a different version other than the Cinema Secrets. I'm afraid I'm going to have to go back to the Cinema Secrets. But anyway, this is the Daily Brush Cleaner from e.l.f. And then the Sonia Kashuk Makeup Brush Cleansing Spray. And here we have her. And I thought this was really interesting. This is the Sonia Kashuk Quick Clean Dry Brush Spray. And they had my Lash Paradise on sale, so I grabbed one of those. And this was on clearance. And I don't know that I've ever tried this. This is the Revlon Color Stay 16 Hour, and it was on clearance. I thought I'd get that and give that a try. I'm going to my Sephora app really quick because I bought this. I actually bought 6. The colors are gorgeous. I mean, they have quite a few colors. And it says 22.6K loves. It is a high shine, super pigmented lacquer lipstick with a balm-like texture. Let me tell you, it has shea, mango butters. The colors were beautiful. It was so soft. It was melting. I think I took video or pictures. Let me check here. On my way home, I used one of the pinkier nudes, and it was like I put it on and then my lips would feel dry. It was like my lips absorbed it, and my lips aren't that dry. It was just kind of weird. So it didn't stay on very well, and I had reapplied it. It melted back into the component itself, and it was very messy. I had to clean it up when I got home, and I'm like, that is crazy that it's that soft. I have air conditioning in my car. It wasn't extremely horrible out. So then yesterday, now the bag was in here in air conditioning through the night. I got up yesterday morning, I went to get ready, and I thought I'm going to try a nude one to go with the look that I had going on yesterday. Lined my lips, and it literally, you can see as I turn it, you can see that on the back end there's like a boom, and it crumbled on my lip. And that was just one time on, and it's not like I take a lipstick and I'm like, I mean, I know how to apply lipstick. I mean, $13 or not, I'm not paying that for a lipstick that is that messy. I wanted the balminess of it, but it just did not work out. So I did return those yesterday. I will say that they had a really good wow this week. I did pick up some of the Lancome glosses and lippies that they had. This one is a sheer gloss. It's number 351. And I just thought it was so pretty. Isn't that pretty? This is 212, something like today when it's a little on the, you know, I don't know where to put it. I think you're just going to get more of a glossy look. Not really much color at all with that one. But these, and then they had their Tarte lipsticks on sale, half off. And I did get 2 of those also. But let's do these. These are the gloss creams. This is number 213. And it's just a really, I think it's a really pretty color. Oh wait, my hand was wet from wiping it off. That's really kind of sheer. That's going to be a very sheer wash of color. That would be nice just to carry, to put something on quickly. This is 422, a little more of like a Trish color, I guess. Oh yeah, that's gorgeous. And then 202, very nude. 202. Then I got 2 of the Tarte Color Splash Lippies. I got Pink Lemonade. I just think that is so cute. That pretty. And that feels very moisturizing. And Rum Punch here. When I returned those other lippies to Sephora, I did pick up a couple things. This, I think, is the thing that I was so excited about getting. You've heard me talk about my favorite eyebrow brush. Well, I thought I lost it the other day, and I about panicked. I did find it again, but I thought, you know what? I'm going to have a backup. This is Makeup Forever 274 brush. And when I tell you, this is the perfect eyebrow brush. The angled part is small enough and coarse enough, let me open it, that it actually feels like you're brushing your brows as you're applying the product, and it just applies so nicely. I'm hoping you can see how it's kind of coarse, and it literally brushes and makes application so easy no matter what product you're using. I love that brow brush. And I did pick the 100 Point Perk. This is actually my second one. I used the one yesterday. This is the Fenty Beauty, the Pro Filt'r Setting Powder. This is so good. I could not believe it. I love the thought of having a powder that I can use to set under my eyes and my whole face. So they gave me, both samples were in Kashuk. They didn't have the butter. So what I did was I bought the butter and the Kashuk. I wanted one for any situation. This is gorgeous stuff. I'm really excited to get that. I have been hearing people for so long talk about this. This is the Tasha Silk Canvas. I just got the little one. I did not get the big one. Oh wow, that is little. How cute is that packaging? I basically just want it in my area right here, in my nose area, and so I think this will do just fine. I'm excited about that. I hear it just takes a tiny little bit. And then I bought this because, once again, I've heard so many people talk about what a good primer this is. When she first came out with her foundation line, I did purchase the Fenty Filt'r. Her Pro Filt'r primer. But I tried it with her foundation and I did not care for the foundation. So I'm excited to try this too. So I have lots of new stuff to play with. Plus I'm actually waiting on a new Sephora order. So thank you so much for watching. I hope that you have an amazing day and I will see you in the next video.